So what are the top 5 passive income opportunities for this year, 2022, and going forward? We're nearly at 2023 and 2024, going even further. Well, I want to get right into this, so let's start with the first one, which is Amazon. Now, there's actually 3 ways you can earn from Amazon. There's FBA, there's the affiliate partner program, but now also something quite new is the influencer program. So let's take a quick look at each of those options. Now, with FBA, what you're doing is you're going ahead and buying stock, putting it on Amazon. They are going to then sell it for you. You have to send it to them. They're going to send it out to your customer. They do all the fulfillment and all that good stuff. Many people are out there getting their own brands together, but if you want somewhere to nice and easy to start with, you can head over to AliExpress, find products on there, resell at a profit on Amazon, and eventually you can go ahead and start rebranding them as your own, and then you can start building a brand, which is super cool because then people know you and you start getting more and more sales that way. Next up is Amazon affiliates. Now, the Amazon affiliate marketing program is every time you click or someone clicks one of your links, you are going to get commission if they go ahead and purchase. And the nice thing there is if you are sending out links and they don't purchase the first thing, within 24 hours, if they purchase anything, or 24 or 48 hours it might be, you will receive a commission on everything they buy. So it's particularly good around holiday seasons. Let's think you've got Black Friday, you've got Cyber Monday, times like that in a year, you might get a lot of people going to Amazon and buying products or services, and it's super cool because you do get commissions on everything. Next up is the Amazon influencer program. Now, if you haven't seen this before, it's real simple, real straightforward to do. Once you get signed up, you go onto the site and you have a look, and there will be options there to get signed up, right? So you build a storefront, you create video reviews, and if people watch those reviews are actually going to get put right on to products already on Amazon. So this way it's a hands-off version. And if they watch the video, you are going to get a commission if they go ahead and purchase. Now, I know a number of people doing this. One guy in particular, he started doing this about 4 months ago and has already grown to over $1,500 per month. So don't let this thing pass you by. Get in while it's early and there's less competition. Next one of my personal favorites is affiliate marketing, right? So it's where you are helping sell other people's products or services. You receive a commission. And the definition on screen now, a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website, traffic, or sales generated from its referrals. So if we can go back to things like YouTube, for example, you can post review videos on there, have your links to Amazon affiliate program, and if they go ahead and purchase, you get a commission. It can't be more simpler than that. And people really like the versus video. So this drink versus this drink, or this camera versus that camera. Those type of things that people are already out there searching for get a lot of traffic. And if you add your links, then people can go ahead and purchase it. Or if they go and purchase a completely different camera in this example, you're still going to get a commission off it. And it's a great way to earn some income. A lot of times I stick with softwares because I like softwares because a lot of times people aren't making just a one-off purchase. They're purchasing something which has a monthly fee, which then can create passive income. Because once I've made the sale on the first front end, I'm going to get paid every single month that customer remains a client of the service. So if you want somewhere to go ahead and have a look at SaaS products or other software products like that, then this site here right now is Capterra. You can go ahead and have a look at these, and there'll be tons and tons of software in every niche possible online that you can be an affiliate for and get commission. Next up is YouTube, the YouTube partner program. Now, there are some requirements to getting monetized, what we call on YouTube, but again, if you tie this in with affiliate marketing, you can actually earn decent money even if you have a small channel that hasn't been monetized for Google AdSense, right? So let me just explain real quick. To be a partner on YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch time in the last 365 days. Now, if you get a video that hits, it's not that difficult to get to, but most people give up before they even get there because they think it's too hard. The key point here is not to give up. And if you have a look at one of my own mentors' YouTube channel, you're going to see something really interesting. So this is the Think Media channel right now. Shout out to Sean there, who is actually what I'm learning from to create these videos. So I hope you're enjoying them. And of course, if you are enjoying the video, then why not drop a subscribe on there? It helps build the channel. And of course, that's what Sean teaches us to say. So why not do it for us? And you can get more ideas as we grow as a channel as well. But back to Think Media, right? So they have over 2.22 million subscribers. And if we have a look at their stats, close to 200 million views. All the time that it's been growing, it didn't have to be amazing. Everyone starts from zero. Your videos aren't going to be amazing right from the get-go unless you're a professional photographer, in which case, yeah, sure, you're going to be ahead of most of us in the game. And of course, if we look at Think Media's latest videos, they are getting absolutely stacks of views. But let's have a look at the first videos and see where the transformation into a super channel really came from. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for the oldest. And this is by no means to bash Think Media. Think Media are amazing. I'm learning tons and tons of what they're doing. But if we go back to what we were thinking about before, when they first started out, the views were quite small. But of course, a lot of those views have probably come from subscribers that have gone back and looked at the first videos, right? Now, one thing I noticed when I started scrolling down, if we go all the way down here, what they started out with was basic interview stuff. And then this is where it really started making an impact. This here, they did comparison videos, which no doubt have affiliate links to Amazon for those products that Think Media and the team were reviewing. So what that means is that if once they started doing product reviews, they're getting found in the search, people are going ahead and watching the video, and if the video encourages someone to purchase something that they were looking for in the first place, they're going to earn a commission. And a lot of these videos, even though some of them are like 11 years old, they are still actually getting commissions and Google AdSense every single month from these videos. So think about YouTube as digital assets, right? So we all know if you have a bunch of houses, renting those bunch of houses out, you're going to get an ongoing commission, not a commission, but you're going to get an ongoing income because you've got those assets. Think about YouTube as building digital assets, and every single one could potentially be paying you every single month, right? So don't give up, keep pressing record, as Sean says, I'm quoting him there. And of course, it's really good because people relate to others where they're of the similar standing, right? So if I keep making mistakes in this video, people are going to realize that I'm human and they're going to relate to me. They're more likely to watch another of my videos, right? But if I was hyper polished and nothing ever went wrong, then they might click away just thinking I'm someone else and they're not interested. But niching down on YouTube is super important as well. So when I created this channel, I was all over the place. If you go back and look at my first videos, they're kind of crazy. They go from here to there, up, down, left, right. Now I focused, and hopefully those videos are now becoming hyper focused as well. So if you're still watching at this point, this video is directly for you, right? So that's a cool way of me just saying, stick around, become a subscriber, make sure you watch the next video and all that good stuff. Next on the list is your own products. Now, again, you could go ahead and search out stuff on Etsy or even on Amazon or even on AliExpress and sell them as your own, right? You can use what we call a sales funnel to do that. I'm going to include an example in the description below where you can see that I took a product, I put it onto a website and people can go ahead and buy it. Now they're buying it at a much higher price because they're getting more value from it. That's why I'm able to sell products. E-com, right? That's through e-com, right? E-commerce. So I can actually sell products at a higher price, get paid for that, and then go and order the product. We call this drop shipping, right? So that's one of the things. Another idea is using what we call digital products. If you're an expert at something or you have a talent, there are guaranteed others that want to learn how to do it too. And if this example on the screen, you can see that I've actually got highticketleadmachine.com, right, which is a blueprint showing people how to get unlimited free leads and sales through the Facebook profile, right? So all this is put together and people go ahead and purchase it, and I'll actually earn all the money on it, which is obviously great for me. And I do have like upsells in there as well, so I can actually make more for each time someone purchases than just that $7. And of course, then it becomes much more profitable. In fact, this one page here is probably earned over 10K. So it's not something that I can just sit back and relax on. As long as I've got links to it on my social media profiles, I know that I'm going to get sales. and it does become a passive income from that aspect. Next up is selling on a site called Etsy. Now, you can actually sell what we call templates on Etsy, and there are a ton of people actively searching for these every single day. In fact, if you go to the Etsy website, you'll see that there's absolutely stacks and stacks of listings for this. Close to 3.5 million results just from the word template. And of course, there are lots of other templates that people are looking for. If I just go to here, people are searching for Canva templates, business card templates, Instagram templates, templates download, templates planner, templates wedding, the absolute stack of them. And if you're not a designer, it doesn't matter, because you can get all these things done for you on other sites like Fiverr. And as you can see here, there's over 20,646, well, to be precise, of people willing to actually design templates for you, many of which you can get for less than £5. So there really is no excuse. You are doing what we call an arbitrage here, where you're getting someone to build a template for you, you're then selling it on another platform and taking the profit. The nice thing here is you actually only have to pay for the template once, and then you can resell on a site like Etsy time and time and time again. And there's people out there earning 6 or 7 figures just from doing this type of side hustle, if you like, and it really does. Once you get them listed on Etsy, it really can produce that passive income. Last but not least, we're going to talk a little bit about stocks and shares. Now, if I want to get specific on it, I'm talking about dividends, right? So if you actually buy shares, you become a shareholder of that company, and every year they divvy up and they give you a little share of the profits, right? Now, it depends very much on the company and how much their profits are, whether it's gone up, whether it's gone down, the percentage they're paying out. It's a minefield, but I'm going to give you some top 5 as a little bonus of shares that you can go out and buy right now and earn dividends on. Now, bear in mind, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's totally up to you to do your due diligence if you are buying into stocks and shares, and never, ever play with money or buy stocks with money that you are desperate to have. Don't put the grocery money onto stocks and shares, for example, right? So don't put yourself at risk, for goodness sake. And if we look at the top 5 best Dow dividend stocks to buy now, this is on a separate website, which you can see here. It's Kiplinger, I guess. We're going to have a look all the way down, because I looked at this earlier on, and see what they're recommending. So it starts off with Chevron, then Goldman Sachs, Merrick, Coca-Cola, and Home Depot. Now, the Coca-Cola one for me is actually quite interesting, because even Warren Buffett actually made more money from Coca-Cola than their CEO because of the amount of shares that he bought, right? So he bought a ton of shares. He made so much in dividends that he actually earned more money than the CEO of Coca-Cola, right? I read that somewhere, and hopefully that's true. Don't fact check me on this in the comments. Now I want to go over a couple of things that I use personally as an affiliate marketer, simply because you can start implementing and become an affiliate of these 3 products and services right now that's going to pay you a monthly commission, right? First one up is, let's go for ActiveCampaign. It's an email service provider or software which allows you to build automations, allows you to build your email list, which is super important as an affiliate marketer, because the only asset you really own is your email list, okay? So make sure that you have an email list if you're becoming an affiliate, right? That's number 1. Second one is Samcart. These allow you to sell your own products and services. They simple one-page website to put everything on there, and it makes it super easy and slick for people to buy. I like it because if I've got something that wants selling straight away, or if I'm doing a service for someone, I can put a cart up within minutes and have it paid straight into my Stripe account. It's that easy. And of course, Brian and Scott Moran, who put Samcart together, created a whole world of marketing expertise that you can tap into. So it's well worth being a customer of Samcart. And again, links will be in the description if you want to try a free trial of any of these that I'm mentioning. Last but not least, ClickFunnels. I am a ClickFunnels Dream Car winner. Got there back in 2019, which meant that I had sold over 100 editions of ClickFunnels. So I had 100 active accounts, which allowed me then to get not only at least $4,000 per month in commissions, but also $500 per month towards my dream car, which is super cool. Right, so those are the three there. And as I mentioned before, if you want to go ahead and become a passive income entrepreneur, then I've got a free gift for you. And this free gift is my 7 steps to passive income through affiliate marketing. You can go ahead and get the link in the first line of the description, also in the comments as well. It'll be pinned there, so you can go ahead and download that for free. And of course, if you want to stick around on YouTube and watch one of the next videos, I'm going to make sure that YouTube recommends the best one for you. So go ahead, click that one right now, and we'll see you on the next video.